Sairam children. So today in active English class we are going to study chapter 25. So come on, open your books. Just see page number 55. We are going to cover both the pages 55 and 56. See, your favorite activity is given here. We are going to make sentences with the help of the group of words given here. So what is the question, children? Make 16 sentences. Okay, you can see 3 columns given here, and in each column, in the first column, one group of word is given, then the second column, one word who is given, and in the third column, again the group of words is given. Now we are going to join it, and after joining we are going to write it in the place given below this table. Ready with your pencil and erasers? Very good. So children, see in the first column, that is the boy who, that is the boy. Now what we are going to do, we are going to join this group of words with this word who, and we are going to pick any group of words from this column and make the sentence. Clear? So let's start. Remember, we have to make 16 sentences, so we can make 4 sentences with this, then 4 and 4, 8, 12 and 16. This way we will make. Okay? Now see, that is the boy who sits next to me. Okay? This way we will write. Then that is the boy who painted the picture. That is the boy who drew the horse. And that is the boy who bought the big kite. This way we can frame these 4 sentences with the help of this first group of words, that is the boy. Come on, let's start writing, children. That is the boy who sits next to me. First sentence. Then second, that is the boy who painted the picture. Third sentence, that is the boy who drew the horse. Fourth, that is the boy who bought the big kite. Done? Now just see the table once again. Now we are going to frame the sentences with this second group of words. And it is, that is not the girl who sits next to me. That is not the girl who painted the picture. That is not the girl who drew the horse. And then last sentence we can make, is, that is not the girl who bought the new kite. Easy? Let's start. Fifth sentence, write number 5. That is not the girl who sits next to me. Sixth sentence, that is not the girl who painted the picture. Seventh, that is not the girl who drew the horse. And the 8th sentence will be, that is not the girl who bought the big kite. Excuse me. Done? Okay. Now we are going to start writing the sentences with the help of this third group of words. There is the boy. So very easy. All of you must have continued writing with the help of this group of words. Is it? Great. There is the boy who sits next to me. There is the boy who painted the picture. There is the boy who drew the horse. And there is the boy who bought big new kite. So let's start writing. Number 9. There is the boy who sits next to me. 10th. There is the boy who painted the picture. Then there is the boy who drew the horse. And 12th sentence is, there is the boy who bought the big kite. Done? Now, with the help of fourth group of word, that is, she is the girl. She is the girl. So, she is the girl who sits next to me. She is the girl who painted the picture. She is the girl who drew the horse. And she is the girl who bought big kite. Easy? So these 4 sentences, children, you are going to write on your own as a practice. I am sure you can do it. Now let's move ahead and see, turn the page to 56. The question given here is, join the sentences using who. Now we have to join given 2 sentences with the word who. Let's see one example which is given there. First question. I know a man, he has adopted 10 children. Now these 2 sentences are given, children, and we are told to join these 2 sentences using who. So what will be our answer? I know a man who has adopted 10 children. Now here, what we have done to join these sentences, have you observed? See, what we have done, we have copied down the first sentence as it is, I know a man. Then we, instead of this full stop, we have to remove the punctuation mark which is given at the end of the first sentence. We have to remove that. And then instead of this he, we used who. And then as it is, that sentence we have copied down, has adopted 10 children. So what answer we got? I know a man who has adopted 10 children. Easy? Let's move ahead and see the second sentence. I met a woman. First sentence, she has very long hair. I met a woman, she has very long hair. So what we learn, how to join these sentences using who? First thing, we are going to copy down this sentence as it is. I met a woman. Then we are going to remove this punctuation mark. And then instead of this pronoun, we are going to use who to join this second sentence. So what answer will get, children? I met a woman who has very long hair. Right? I met a woman who has very long hair. So come on, copy down the answer fast. I met a woman who has very long hair. This way we are going to write the answers of these questions. Third sentence. I know a man, he wants to buy a car. So our answer will be, I know a man who wants to buy a car. Fourth sentence. I have a friend, she has never been to the movie hall to watch a movie. First sentence is, I have a friend. And the second sentence is, she has never been to the movie hall to watch a movie. And after joining the sentence with the word who, what answer will get? Let's see. I have a friend who has never been to the movie hall to watch a movie. Fifth question. This is the boy, he told me the story. And the answer is, this is the boy who told me the story. Here is the man, he brings the food. And the answer is, here is the man who brings the food. Remember, we have removed the full stop and the pronoun given at the beginning of the second sentence, and instead of that we have added the word who. 7th, there is the girl, she picked the flowers. And the answer is, there is the girl who picked the flowers. 8th sentence, that is the boy, he lost the ball. And the answer is, that is the boy who lost the ball. 9th sentence, I would like to meet the man, he built that building. And the answer is, I would like to meet the man who built that building. Again, I'll revise, children, what we have done. We have removed the full stop and the pronoun, and we have added the word who to join the sentences. These two sentences. That's what we did while solving this question. So children, today I have covered 9 sentences from that question. Remaining 2 I am giving you as a practice. So you have to do on your own. So that table question, there also 4 sentences you have to write on your own. I have already explained you how to do it. And here joining 2 sentences with the word who, that also last 2 sentences you are going to do. And I am sure you found it very easy, isn't it? And some of you might have done also. That's great. So children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Let's stop here. Sai Ram.